Hello everyone, if your iPhone storage is full, don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I will show you simple steps to free up space and fix the issue, so let's get started. First, check your storage by going to settings, then click on general. From there, click on iPhone storage. Here you will see how much space you have left. If it's almost full, you will want to take action before your phone starts running into problem. So you have to delete unused apps from here. Go through your apps and remove the ones you don't use. Apps take up space and you can see their size break down here. Just tap the app and select delete app, and that's it. The next step you can take is to clear your photos and videos from photos. You have to delete your photos from here like I'm doing here. Select all the photos and videos you don't want to keep on your iPhone and then click on delete. From there you have to delete it from also recently deleted files. And after doing all of these two steps, the third step is you have to delete messages from your message option. After doing all of these steps, if you still see the problem, then you have to optimize iCloud storage. Go to settings, click on your Apple ID, then click on iCloud, and from there you have to click on photos. There you have to click on sync this iPhone. By doing it, it will keep high quality photos in iCloud while saving space on your device. And then the last step is you have to go on Safari, then scroll down until you see the option clear history and website data. From there you have to clear your history and website data. It will also delete space from your iPhone. And there's another way to delete your storage in your iPhone, that is manage system data. If iOS and system data is taking up too much steps, back up your phone and do a factory reset to clear out unnecessary files. I have a full guide on this, check the link in the comments. So that's it. By following these steps, you will free up a lot of space on your iPhone. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you next time.